Hindi ko masabi. This is it, bago matapos tong araw na to. Mag-asawa na tayo, advance happy 9th anniversary na din. Who would have thought sa dami ng mga pinagdaanan natin at sa dami ng di naniniwala, ito na tayo ngayon. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat. Thank you for making this happen. You wanted to give me the wedding of my dreams. Thought all I wanted was to marry you.
Daddy, kahit wala ka, tuwak mo down the aisle, alam ko that you're always here sa heart ko and that you're happy for me and sa family. I miss you. Love you, Daddy.
So if you're gonna run, then run with me. If you got a drum, I've got your beat. We'll make our own path through whatever comes.
Ito yung regalo ko sa inyo. Kuya. Welcome. So, syempre, di ako mawawalan. Meron din ako.
Nandito pala ako sumulat sa unang pagkakataon. Ito pala gift ko sa'yo. Ano magustuhan mo at gamitin mo sa kanin? Kinakabahan ako Ano mo natin? Huli mo. Pinatatag tayo ng Panginoon. Binigyan tayo ng lakas para lagpasan at harapin ang mga pagsubok sa buhay natin dalawa. Sa mga darating na panahon. Mag-enjoy tayo sa dream wedding natin dalawa. I love you po. Silipin mo to pa rin ang mga pangarap na magkasama.
If you got a drum, I've got your beat. We'll make our own path through whatever comes. I'll be your rock when the going's tough. Because there's no love like our love.
Araw na nagdesisyon tayo na mag-save every sahod natin para sa dream wedding natin sa Macau. Sobra tayo nagtitipid, kahit may gusto tayong bilhin, unang sinasabi natin, wag muna. 2 beses na natin pinlano ang kasal. 2 beses din na-cancel. Alam natin yung mga frustration natin dalawa. At alam ko yung sayo. Pero malakas tayo sa Panginoon. At ngayong araw, binigyan na niya ang basbas na matagal nating hinihintay. Ano mangyari? Ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin dalawa. Cristiano J. Sarmiento, pumalama ka. Dahil ilang sandali magiging Mrs. Kalma ka na.
Put it back together. You know my imperfection.
Kunyari, hindi mo nakita! Kinakabog tayo nun! Hindi!
I've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. Of someone like you.
Fast forward to today. Despite all the delay, I, Cristiana Joy Sarmiento, later be Kalma, am standing in front of you with God and the people we love as our witness, would joyfully state the most important yes of my life. The yes that says I do. The yes to our marriage. And the yes to committing and choosing you with all the days of my life.
In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. I've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. In all my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by
Thank you, Ina. Thank you for your love and support. Oh, I love you. Thank you for this.
You take me as I am, you take me as I am. You take me as I am, you take me as I am. You take me as I am, you take me as I am. You take me as I am, you take me as I am.
Cristiano Ray Sarmiento, mahal na mahal kita, inuulit ko. Sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay, hanggang sa pagtanda, araw-araw kitang bubusugin ng pagmamahal. Araw-araw kitang aalagaan. Araw-araw kong ipaparamdam sa'yo kung gaano kakalaga sa buhay ko.
Jake Adrian Calma. I vow to still say yes to you, even through many years from now. Yes to today, forever, and always. And as we look forward to even renewing our vows. Boo, thank you for loving me and for always taking good care of me.
At ngayon, excited na ako simulan ng bagong chapter ng buhay natin bilang mag-asawa at magiging tatay ng mga anak natin. Cristiano Joy Sarmiento, asawa na kita.
So again, I say yes. Yes to you and only you, forever and always. I love you, Boo, and advance happy 9th anniversary.